Okay, so when we start the next step, guys, you're going to use these Crayola watercolor colored pencils, okay? So they are watercolors inside of the pencils. So the stuff that's in the watercolor trays, that's what's actually in there. So you're going to use any color except black, okay? And you're going to be using white as well. So I'm going to just take, and I'll just show you what I mean. So I'm going to just use purple here. It's not blue. Violet. This is purple, okay? So when you color with these, you've got to color lightly to start, and you just fill in an area. This one I'm going to color in solid. And you can see it just looks like regular colored pencils, but you're actually taking that paint that's in the paint trays. It's actually inside of here, and I'm not coloring very neatly. I need to slow down, but I'm trying to show you this. So I'm going to color this in, and then I'm going to go back over top of it to darken it in. Okay. Then I'm going to take white and I'm going to go back over top of it. And it doesn't look like much now, but when I add water, it'll make it look like a highlighted spot. So you got to color the whole thing in first. And in the next video, you'll see how to how the water will make it all blend together. Okay.